Hi, this is Avinash Singh, founder of Training Influence. Let's influence the world. This is day 11, video 11 of hashtag 21 days to better me. It is said that failing to plan is planning to fail. And it's so true. Whatever we do daily impacts us to a large extent. And that's why it is said that the secret to success is hidden in our daily routine. I remember my school days. I used to be good in studies. Not the best, just good. So what did I do? I used to think that I can be best if I go ahead and focus more on study for more time. So I used to make a lot of timetables. Yes, there are 3 months remaining for the next examination. So let's go ahead. Avinash will try and study 5 hours per day. Yes. And come tomorrow, some or the other reason used to push that time, and the start time I was not able to meet. So what do we do when we are not able to start on time? We let go of the whole day. At least I used to do that. Oh, I was supposed to start at 7. Now it's 7:15. What's the use? Let's start tomorrow at 7. And that's how the planning used to fail. Now that I think about it, I know that I was thinking about an ideal Avinash, an ideal self, and hence planning according to that ideal self. Avinash is currently only able to study maybe 1 or 1.5 hours. And if he plans to go ahead and study for 5 hours, it's highly improbable, if not impossible. Changes does not occur like this. It's a gradual change and it takes some gestation period. So I could have gone ahead and planned for 2 hours 15 minutes maybe, or 2 hours 20 minutes, and then push forward. But we usually don't do that. We plan in the ideal self mode and then we don't achieve those because for obvious reasons it is a big change, and then we feel guilty that we are not able to do that and we are failures or some other reason. The idea here is to understand that where you are, what capacity you hold right now, plan according to that. If you have a lot of tasks in one day, it's very difficult to accomplish all those tasks. Now I was reading this book the other day, Eat That Frog, from Brian Tracy, and he said that choose 3 big tasks per day, maximum. Ideally you should focus on one particular big task which you are avoiding for one particular day, and focus on doing that particular task. And you can fill your day with other important and urgent tasks. So you can go ahead and do that. But it's important to understand that if you want to achieve success, you will need to plan according to your present self and not your ideal self. That's one part. The other part is plan minimum tasks, something which you can achieve, something which is achievable, and then push your limits for the next task. So Brian Tracy says that take the biggest frog. We ideally wouldn't want to eat a frog, and that's the meaning of eating a frog. So take the biggest, meanest thing which you are avoiding for a long time. Start your day by doing the most difficult task, and everything else will seem easy. So eat that frog first in the day and then continue with other tasks. So there are two ideas which I am sharing here today is when you are planning your day, plan according to your present self, present capacity. Don't plan a lot of tasks. Plan one big task which can take your whole day or which you can focus throughout the day. Start with the biggest, meanest task which you are avoiding and which is very difficult to do. That's why you are avoiding. So start with that particular task and then maybe go to other tasks. So planning is very important. Plan according to what your present self is, and slowly you will be able to reach that ideal self. I believe everything takes a little bit of time. Once you understand, you will be able to accelerate. So go ahead, plan properly, and I'm sure that your everyday holds the key to your success in future. So make the most of your everyday. Until next time, this is Avinash Singh from Training Influence telling you that life doesn't get easier. We get stronger by facing it.